objective is lines of best fit. The scatter plot below compares X, the number of pizzas ordered per week, and Y, the cost per pizza in dollars. A line of best fit has been drawn based on this data. So 17 is a multiple choice question based on the line of best fit. So that's the key thing. It's not based on the data, it's based on the line that was drawn. Which estimate is closest to the price per pizza if a class wants 6 pizzas per week? So I'm going to go over to 6 and I'm going to go up to my line. So this is what I'm looking for. Okay, whoop. Okay, I'm not looking at the data point. So I'm going to look over this to see about how many. I'm just going to try to draw a line straight over as much as I can. It looks like it's almost 4, but not quite. So the one that I would choose would be B. All right, I'm going to show which one would not be the answer. This one is not the answer, which is $4, because even though this is a data point, it is not on the line of best fit. So we have to pick the choice that is on the line of best fit. Of U.S. households with PCs, personal computers, from 1994 to 2002. All right, so we can see from the year, you'll notice in 1995 there were 33.6 million households that had computers, and I'm going to go ahead and just circle that real quick. It is in millions, so all these numbers mean 44 million, 51.2 million, 61.1 million, so forth. And then if you remember from when we did the lines of best fit assignment together, instead of putting 1994, we're going to use x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2, and so forth. Okay, it's number 18 says to draw a scatter plot of the data and label it. I'm going to label it first. So on the x-axis we will have year, and then on the y-axis we have households with PCs. So I'm just going to put over here households. All right, okay. And then, so our year, we're not going to put 1994, 95, blah, blah, blah. We're going to put 0 through 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you could probably have spaced that out. It might have been nice to do that. All right, and then I notice on the y-axis, the largest number is 70. So let's see, are we going to be okay going by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 20, no, because we'll only get up to 40. So we're going to have to go by, I guess we're going to have to go by about 5s. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, and now we're just ready. Once you have it labeled, we can go ahead and graph. So x equals 0, 32. So 0, 32, about right there. 1, 33.6. And then 2, 38.8, almost up to 40. 3, 44. No, I don't. 4, 51.2. 5, 61.1. 6, 66. Notice this is really pretty linear to start with. 769. And then 8, 72.7. But right there. So notice we really have a pretty good looking line to start with, but we do want to go ahead. It says to draw a scatter plot, which we did. Then it says to draw a line of best fit. So you are going to use a ruler. I don't have a ruler available, so I'm just going to do my very best job here. And look something like that. All right. So did that. It says to write an equation of the line of best fit. So I'm going to pick 2 points that are on my line. I'm going to pick this one right here, which is 135. And you definitely won't pick the same points as me. And I'm going to pick this point right here, which is 555. Okay, so then I'm going to find my slope. So my slope is going to be 55 minus 35, over 5 minus 1. 55 minus 35 is 20. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I get a slope of 5. So you should have something kind of close to that. And now I'm going to pick a point. So x, y. I'm going to go ahead and do y equals mx plus b. So 35 equals m times x plus b. So I'll get 35 equals 5 plus b. Subtract 5 from both sides. B is 30. So my equation is y equals m, which was 5x, plus 30. And you should have something similar to that. It won't be exact. All right, number 21. Use your equation from number 2020 to predict the number of households in the U.S. with personal computers in the year 2007. And they did tell us that we're going to use x equals 13 for that. So since it says x equals 13, we are going to put 13 in for the x. We're going to do 5 times 13 plus 30. So 5 times 13 is 65, plus 30 is 95. And that doesn't mean that 95 households had personal computers. It means 95 million households had personal computers. So that would be my answer for that.